The Christ the King monument, locally known as Cristo Rei, in Assolna, South Goa, is a remarkable religious and architectural landmark. Erected in 1937, this monument stands near the Church of Our Lady, Queen of Martyrs, which itself was built in 1616 on the ruins of a Portuguese fortress. A central statue of Christ the King with outstretched arm. The monument stands 33 feet tall, symbolizing the 33 years of Christ's life, and is elevated on a base that brings the total height to approximately 90 feet. Historical significance. The inspiration for this monument came from a similar structure in Karachi, Pakistan. Domingo Gaspar Sebastio Silva Lobo, a Goan sailor who visited Karachi in the early 1930s, was moved by the monument to Christ the King there. He collaborated with M. Andrade, a Goan involved in the Karachi project, to recreate a similar monument in his hometown of Assolna.